In this video we are going to see how to set up the Wi-Fi. Connect the power adapter to the micro USB port. Connect a monitor to the HDMI port. If your monitor contains VGA port, then use the VGA to HDMI adapter. Connect the SDR antenna to the SDR antenna port. Connect the GPS antenna to the GPS antenna port. Now connect male to female USB cable. You can also connect a LAN cable. You can connect wired or wireless keyboard. Connect the USB microphone. Note that the microphone is required only for a few experiments such as sampling theorem. Now power up the Wi-Fi. To know the IP address in the terminal, type ifconfig. Note down the IP addresses. You can use both the LAN and the WLAN IP addresses to remotely access the Wi-Fi. To change the default Wi-Fi username and password, type the command as shown on the screen. To set a static IP address for the Wi-Fi, type the command as shown on the screen.